Hello guys, if Madden 27 isn't working properly on your PS5, there are a few quick fixes you can try. First, check the EA server status. Open your browser, search for the official EA status page, and find Madden 27. If the servers are down or under maintenance, you'll need to wait until they are back online. If the servers are working, check for a PS5 system update. Go to Settings, then System, select System Software, and choose System Software Update and Settings. Check for any available update, install it, and restart your PS5. If Madden 27 still isn't working, try clearing the console cache. Turn off your PS5 completely, unplug the power cable, wait about 60 seconds, then plug it back in and turn the console on again. Finally, try restoring your licenses. Go to Settings, then Users and Accounts, select Other, and choose Restore Licenses. Find Madden 27. Let the process finish. Once that's done, launch Madden 27 again and check if the game is working normally. These are some of the main solutions you can try if Madden 27 isn't working on your PS5. So check the EA servers first, make sure your PS5 is updated, clear the console cache, and restore your licenses. Hopefully one of these fixes gets Madden 27 working again. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.